Rely. What we doing today, Tay? You gotta talk to him, man. You gotta tell him what we're doing. For the people, you gotta show them shit, man. You gotta show them shit, man. Shit. All right, we installing the Procharger today. This is what we're doing. We got the 200 horsepower Procharger intercooler. We got a box full of stuff over there. We got a good old velocity. And we have the Procharger, and we have the instructions. Cause we need instructions for shit. Don't seem too bad though. I'll put this bracket on. I think that's all of it, huh? Get some goddamn power tools.
You got the what's on?
What?
The impact.
Wait. Probably use this today. How much horsepower we gonna make, man?
Look about a good 700.
You said 1,000. We're trying to make a rack, man. We're going for 1,300. I think that'd be enough at that point.
This one right here.
I knew I was gonna say it was 4 on now.
There's actually one more.
It's 5. What? Nah, I think that goes to the sweet spot.
Alright.
There were 2 at the top, 1 in the middle, then there was 1 at the bottom that I gotta tighten up. I ain't got that one. See, this one come back up. Got this one down there. How long it took? About 2 hours to figure out how to put the brake on? Whew, there we go. How it make it feel?
Oh yeah.
How it make it feel?
Right, make some power.
Powerhouse. As soon as it's done, we're going straight to street racing. Yeah, everything clear. That was it. Oh, okay. Shell shit.
You can adjust it.
Yeah. But I don't know if this is a new one they were talking about. They were saying it was one that it was like improved or some shit. Keep it from belt slippage. So we keep it loose. Keep it loose. All right. Voila. Goddamn brackets on. You pull the car off. Yeah. Shit. I just got tired, man. So now, Procharged time.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Let's grab that shit. I gotta tighten up the screws.